we are asking by this a resolution has been passed here by all the NGOs that the Chief Minister should withdraw the letter dated 21st December 2017 forthwith. This is one of the resolutions that has been passed. Let me repeat it. The Chief Minister should withdraw the letter dated 21st December 2017 issued by him to Yedurappa, the leader of opposition in Karnataka. Secondly, all political parties should declare their policy and the stand over the Mhadei River issue. That too, they should do it as early as possible. Third is, all 40 MLAs should declare their individual stand on the Mhadei River issue. Goa government should wait for the judgment of the tribunal. Now, as far as that is concerned, I may have to elaborate a bit. The time period for the tribunal gets over in August. We are given to understand that one of the judges has already started writing the judgment. So when we are in the final stages, submissions are almost over. What is the tearing hurry that we should change our stand at this stage?